Good evening, students. Today I am going to teach you one of the interesting topic, that is atmospheric refraction. ये बात चाइल्डहुड से तुम्हारे मन में भी होगी, अभी भी, और मेरे मन में भी थी. जब भी मैं खुले आसमान को देखता था रात में, हमारे मन में अक्सर ये क्वेश्चन आती थी, why the star twinkles? स्टार से आने वाली रोशनी बढ़ती और घटती रहती थी, ऐसा क्यों? जब मेरी निगाह मून पर जाती थी तो वहां मून की रोशनी घटती बढ़ती नहीं थी. बहुत गौर से देखने के बाद थोड़ा बहुत चेंज नजर आता था. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर हम खोजते थे और मिला भी. आज ये टॉपिक है जिस पर इसका आंसर तुम्हें बताना. अब जरा सोचो आखिर ऐसा क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ. चलिए अब हम इसके ब्रीफ बैकग्राउंड में चलते हैं. आपने रिफ्रैक्शन पर लाइट ट्रेवल्स इनटू डिफरेंट मीडियम्स, डिफरेंट ट्रांसपेरेंट मीडियम. व्हेन लाइट ट्रेवल्स इन द डिफरेंट मीडियम्स, the light deviates from its path. A deviation of path depends upon the refractive index of the medium. When light travels from rarer medium to the denser medium, मतलब from lesser refractive index to the more refractive index, then light bends. Where it will bend? It bends towards normal. Towards normal. Refractive index, when from light travels from denser medium to the rarer medium, higher refractive index to the lower refractive index, again light deviates from its path, and it deviates from away from normal. You are aware of that. Now similar situation, let's talk. We are not deviating the path. We are deviating the path of light, not our talk. Right? So here we are going to deviate the path of light. Light comes from a star to the earth. They have to travel a lot of distances to come to you. Earth, you know that earth has their own atmosphere. Around the earth air is there. As you move, air density is highest at the earth. As you move away from the earth, density of the air becomes lesser and lesser. So as you move away from the earth, the rarer medium continues to be rarer and rarer. As you move towards earth, the medium continues to be denser and denser. हम इस पर चर्चा करते हैं ज़रा डिटेल्स. First of all, it is your earth. It is around the earth. The children, हम आपको अर्थ के डिफरेंट लेयर्स को बता दें. We are here on this inner core. It is earth and it is atmosphere. अब तुम खुद अपना ब्रेन यूज करोगे, सोचने की कोशिश करो. Here are sun, stars. Now you know this atmosphere is more nearer to the sun and it is away from sun. Therefore temperature will be less here, temperature will be more. So due to more temperature, it will be, when air has temperature increases, the air expands. So density of the air is decreases. So it become rarer medium, it become denser medium. The refractive index changing from first to the last. Outer atmosphere of the earth has got the lower refractive index, and air near to the earth has got highest refractive index because the air is more dense. चलिए, one thought is this. I might have seen in many books also. हम दूसरे thought पर भी चलते हैं. You know that air has mass, and in the universe everybody attracts each other. Yes. Sure. So the air particle here, this air or this air, which will have more, I will show this way. This air and here, A1, air 1. Here is a air 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have given air 5. Now tell me, which will have more attraction? Which will be attracted more towards earth? Earth has mass higher. So therefore, here the force of attraction will be more, here the force of attraction will be less. So obviously, more is the force of attraction, denser will be the air density here. As you move away from there, density will be lesser. I am explaining you my dual thoughts on the basis of universal law of gravitation. On universe, everybody attracts each other. And secondly, due to the temperature, the solar energy, as the temperature is more, air expands and medium becomes rarer. Okay. Now this is the two thoughts. Let's think of. So, if the light travels from here, it will have to go to the different mediums and it will deviate from its path. When the medium changes, the light changes, the light rays bends and changes its path. And due to it is called refraction. Bending of light itself is a refraction. Now how much it will bend? How it will bend? Again ये चर्चा का विषय. देखो बच्चों, मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ, जरा सोचो. So mu value decreases. Mu of outer atmosphere is lesser than inner atmosphere. Outer atmosphere and inner atmosphere. ठीक है? The mu of outer atmosphere will be more. It will be like this. Yes. तो बच्चों जरा इस बात को गौर करो. अगर ये सारे का मीडियम mu5, mu4, mu3, mu2 and mu1. Now arrange in the refractive index. Denser medium, outer atmosphere का mu सबसे ज्यादा mu किसका होगा? mu1 has higher density, mu2, mu3, mu4, mu5. If we assume the refractive index of the different layers of air. Okay? So mu1 has got highest tendency, increasing order of refractive index. Okay. Now let me discuss it here. So children, now take it example. This is your it is one of the star. Now light fall onto the star like this. How it happens? Try to see that. It is your normal. When light deviates like this, अगर ऐसे करोगे तो सीधा चला जाएगा, तो डेविएशन ना हियर. इसके लिए क्या है आपका नॉर्मल, वो देख लो. नॉर्मल लाइट डेविएट्स, कैसे आ रहा है लाइट देखो, ये ऐसे जाता, ऐसे नहीं जाके ऐसे आ गया. फिर देखो यहां पर नॉर्मल क्या हुआ, नॉर्मल इज लाइक दिस. Light was supposed to go like this. Light is supposed to go like this, but it is not going like this. It is deviated. Again you see, there is a normal. There is a normal put like this on dotted. Normal. Light was supposed to, it will move like this, but light has not gone, it has gone this. So now here the normal is this. Light was supposed to move like this, but it has moved here. So you are here. We are able to see from here. You are here. Now since the light, you feel that the light is coming from the moon a star is here, light is coming to you. You feel that a star is twinkling, but light bends and follow a spiral path. Light travels from a star and follow the spiral path to the individual. Actually ये आदमी का होता क्या है, ये सोचता है कि a star is here. A star is, you are seeing that a star is here. But actual star is here. Actual position of a star, actual position of a star, and it's about the apparent position. Position of a star. Apparent position of a star. Tick. Okay. Because the light seems to be coming like this from here. Now what happens? After some time, due to the movement of the air, due to change in temperature, the medium changes their refractive index. और उसके बाद यही स्टार यहां से आने मालूम पड़ता है. थोड़ी देर बाद फिर वो चेंज करता है अपना पोजीशन. एटमॉस्फेरिक रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स चेंजेस ड्यू टू एटमॉस्फेरिक चेंजेस, ड्यू टू ब्लोइंग ऑफ विंड, ड्यू टू इंक्रीज इन चेंज इन टेम्परेचर. So what happens? The movement is like this. We are feeling that a star is shifting their position. It means that shifting results in the twinkling of a star. That is a fluctuation of light coming to your eye. Sometimes you are seeing the star is there, sometimes little above, little below, like this. So this is a twinkling. But in case of moon, we don't see that it is a twinkling. Why? Because same moon is there. It is very near to the earth as compared to the star. Number one point. Second, it does not have its own light. So what actually happens? A little bit deviation is there. Little bit twinkling is there which is not noticed at all. Okay? So, the light travels from, what are the points you travel, consider it. Here, the light traveling through the different mediums, but it is a very near and it has not their own original light, it is a reflected light. There is a little deviation which is not noticed in terms of twinkling. This star has to travel a lot of bigger atmosphere than the moon. Okay, now let me discuss on another part. So, children, we have almost all points we have discussed it. Similar case happens in the case of the sunrise. Sun, before rising of sun, we see the sun in the morning. Similar case. That is the actual position of the sun and apparent position of the sun. This happens. Okay? Further we will discuss in the next part. Okay, thank you.